Let's go. Let me give you a tour. So this is a over 21,000 square feet waterfront house with close to 9,000 square feet interior living space, and it's designed by Sora. Exteriors, interiors. Once it's finished, it's going to be, as I mentioned, one of the most beautiful houses in Miami Beach, and it's going to be available for rent. You want to hop? Once it's finished, I'm gonna show it to you again. You see I'll start with that wall right here. It's going to be red Ferrari Testarossa on this wall. Let's go on this side. Let's start from here. By the way, every wall, every inch of the house is finished. There you can see there is travertine, marble, a few different types of wood, millwork all over the place. Panels on the ceiling everywhere. This is the nightclub. You have your own nightclub. It's closing right behind you, right there. In case if you have a small party, you have a door, you can close it there and access from the pool, so you can have a party in your place, and no one is going to have access to the main area of the house. And it's pretty secure and smart feature. You're going to have a DJ booth right here, lounge right behind you, right there. Let's go. And this is right here you have a double sink, toilet. You have a right here exit or entrance to the pool area, and right here is going to be small gym area. It also can be enclosed, and people not going to have access to the main part of the house. Let's go outside. I'll show you briefly, and then we will hop inside again. Over 100 feet on the water. Beautiful infinity pool once it's going to be finished. Look at this. Those aluminum. I can't wait. Honestly, I can't wait. It's going to be really really great house. Louis, he's the developer of the house, by the way, one of the well-known guys in here. And he mentioned this is one of the most complicated projects for him in a good way, right? Because he said this like very, very detailed house. So you see cabana right there on the other side, right behind you. You're gonna have a look at this. Let's go inside, and I'll show you the rest of the house. We have over, as I said, close to 9,000 square feet, just the living area, and lots of outdoor terraces. Look at the color. She has those kind of darkish marks, matched beautiful with the walls. This is a kitchen right here. Here we have chef's kitchens on this side. Let's go. Elevator that takes you up. Maid's quarter right here. Let's go upstairs. There is other stairs, but they're doing some work, so we'll take that one. As I said, every wall is going to be covered. The millwork. Oh, by the way, the headboards of the pretty much in each room, the headboards you have depends on the room. Some of them with the marble, some of them with the travertine. Terraces, very wide, deep terraces. Here you're gonna have a travertine right here. There's I think white oak or dark wood is going to be on this side. Like a few different there's a mason type of woods, and the ceiling is going to be covered in the millwork as well. Look at this. That's how it looks. That's what actually you don't see once the house is finished. Here's Ayana right here. She usually try to hide behind the camera. Primary bedroom, closet, humongous closet. Walk in. Look at this. What happened here? Broke. It happens. It's construction. Here's the other part of the closet as well. You have your primary bedroom, as I said, the headboard, marble headboard right here. Primary bathroom with that view of the Palm Island. Gorgeous. Let's go. I'll show you the rest of the house. As I mentioned, it's everywhere, most luxurious materials. Can you show the ceiling, please? As I mentioned, also covered in woodwork, millwork, everywhere, everywhere. Honestly, can't wait till it's finished. I'll be back here. I'm gonna do a tour again, and I'm sure I'm gonna do a lot of tours in here. That house is going to be available for lease. So if someone is interested to have one of the most unique houses in Miami Beach, this is it, definitely. Look at the ceiling height. Right here. Right here, you will have a red Ferrari Testarossa. It was a great idea, by the way. I didn't know about it. And then I found out and I called the owner. I said, okay, this is something. It's creative, right? You don't see it often. Another bedroom. Every bedroom, of course, has own ensuite with the balconies and with the walk-in right here as well, walk-in closet. And let me show you other side. No, look at Yang. She's hiding again. And here's a couple more bedrooms. Can you show the ceiling right here? Oh, I love it. I like that smell. Let's go downstairs. I'll show you garage where you can park your most beautiful cars that you're gonna have. It's a perfect house for a family or for someone who wants to have a parties in here. By the way, as I mentioned about the nightclub, it's a soundproofed, like all over it, right? It's soundproof, and you can like. The thing is, it was made that way that you can throw as loud as party as you can, and nobody's gonna hear you. Like all your neighbors on your both sides. So this was kind of also one of the requests of the owner. Look at the color of that white, beautiful white travertine wall. Wow. Ceiling height. Right now the windows are covered, but once they will take that off, you will see the beautiful views of the canal. By the way, one of the let's go downstairs and I'll tell you, because the guy is doing his job. One of the main reasons why that house was purchased by the current owner is location of it. It's a little bit on the, how to say that, on the hideout side of the island, and you're not gonna have boats passing with the tourists. So it's kind of one of those things is very important, I guess, if you're looking for more privacy. And asking price is going to be close to 300, and once it's finished, and as I mentioned, it's going to be very unique property. For sale, this one is going to go more than 40 million for sure once it's done, but unfortunately for everyone who would consider to buy it, it's not for sale yet. And we already been getting offers, but it's going to be available for it. So if you'd like to experience something like that, please contact me and I'll be happy to help you. And let's go. I'll give you some details about this island, Hibiscus, and about the Palm Island. I'll give you some history tour.